This 2012 Keystone Outback 260FL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.